artist. In this video, I just want to give you a little sneak peek at what is happening this month in the Joy Art Club, and also a few videos that I've added to the Creative Lens session, just because I don't want you to miss out in case you're interested in any of these themes that we're exploring. So over in the Joy Art Club, April is dedicated to florals, and I'm sharing some process videos, some really fantastic inspiration books, and just lots of flower related inspiration. So if that's your cup of tea, I invite you to join us. It's only €9 a month, and you get also access to our lovely community. We are now over 100 members in the Joy Art Club. I'm so excited about it. We are soon ending our first year and starting our second year, and I'm just so happy to be able to share art and joy and inspiration in that format. So I hope you will join us. And then I also want to share with you that I recently dropped 4 more video tutorials to the Creative Lens sessions. Now, if you're not familiar with the Creative Lens project, this is basically, there are 2 parts to the Creative Lens project. One is the sessions, which is a library of videos that I keep adding to. Right now, there are more than, I'm going to say around 25, maybe more than that, tutorials where you can see value study, sketching, painting with all kinds of different materials. Super fun. And I just added this month 4 more tutorials, which you can see kind of the very short versions of them here in this video. So this is the library, the video library. This is not a monthly subscription. This is, you buy it one time and you have access to all the videos that exist there now, which, as I said, is more than 20, and every video that I will add in the future. So you just buy it once and you get access to everything and all future videos. And then the other part of the Creative Lens are the ebooks, which now there are 2 ebooks. One is portrait orientation and one is landscape orientation. And they include over 200 photos from all over the world of different subjects. And the goal is to inspire you and encourage you to study, sketch, paint, all these things with copyright-free photos. You don't have to worry about using them. And yeah, so I just wanted to show you what I have going on this month and invite you to join the Joy Art Club and or the Creative Lens. This is one of the new tutorials that I dropped in the Creative Lens session, and this is based on a photo from my village where I live, and we explore all kinds of fun themes like color choices and yeah, much more. So thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.